Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create your very own artist website in WordPress in just a few minutes. Let's begin. First open WordPress, click on login and sign in with your Google account to quickly access your dashboards. From the dashboards, head over here, click on appearance, then go to themes to browse design options. Now, I want you to look under the art and design category over here. Then filter by free to find themes perfect for portfolios. So you can click over here, then select free. Your options might be limited, but these are actually free to use in WordPress. So click on the theme you like. You can easily choose and preview each one of them, and make sure to activate the apply, or make sure to hit activate so you can apply it to your website. And that's it. You have now set up your artist website in WordPress. Now start adding your artwork and make your online galleries shine. I hope you found this video very helpful.